Well, the opposition is seeking a legal ruling as to whether Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha has hit his term limit. CNA's Success Sarasambat explains the case and what's at stake for the Thai government.
The political transformation of General Prayut Chan-o-cha sees him going from army chief and coup leader to becoming a long-serving Prime Minister of Thailand. This summarizes the past 8 years of Prayut's premiership, which should be coming now to an end, if it's up to the opposition parties. They have filed the latest legal challenge against him, asking the Constitutional Court to rule on a potential term limit. The opposition thinks that they have a good case, and this is their key argument. Section 158 of the Thai constitution says that no prime minister can stay in office for longer than 8 years. Sounds simple, right? Well, the question is, when do those 8 years start? The opposition says right here, in August 2014. That's when he became prime minister for the first time, appointed a couple months after the military coup. That is almost exactly 8 years ago, so that's why his time would be up. But it's not that simple. That part from the Constitution, that was written in 2017, so 5 years ago, and government supporters say you can't simply retroactively apply that to the past. Now, there's the most generous interpretation. 2019, that's when he became prime minister again, but that was after a democratic election and the first under the new constitution. So depending which way the Constitutional Court is going to decide, Prime Minister Prayut gets to stay in office for 5 more years, or by the other extreme, his time would be up.